Welcome to SCN. This is a bulletin. I am currently in Canary Wharf to get my Jubilee Line train, but it doesn't matter, I'm still making videos. Right, so today is Sneek Peak Sunday, so you know what that means. It is another sneak peek. So today we have the new city hospital. You can tell from the buildings around it, and just basically, you know, there's two platforms. But I could say it's an upgrade that we didn't ask, but it's what we needed. As you can tell, the station is very modern and it looks very nice. We can also tell we're also getting more than just an airport revamp and the new James Street extension. So I'm happy that this exists. So it's a solid 80.5. I like this station. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. That's all from us. See you soon.